A simple weight loss tip for beginners that just takes a little bit of effort but is going to have a major impact on your weight loss journey, on your health journey, is to use a food log. You don't have to commit to a food log forever, but if you are just starting out, you need to have an understanding of what you're eating, what those calories are, what your macros are, where are your nutrients, and the best way to do that is to use MyFitnessPal. I'm not paid by them, but I've been using them for over 10 years for myself and with clients. And just do this. You don't need any special coach or any special package or program or anything to log your food. Log your food for 1 week and you will immediately start to see differences, small tweaks that you can make where maybe you didn't need that extra bit of creamer in your coffee, but small tweaks are going to make a huge difference when we talk about weight loss. If you don't do this, it's kind of like you're going to look at your finances and budget and maybe save for a big purchase like a home. You're going to do that without looking at what you're spending each month. That's not going to work. If you don't know what you're spending or what you're taking in, what you're consuming daily, and you have a good idea of what that is, you're not going to know how to lose weight or where you can cut calories or where you can balance out with maybe a little more exercise. So MyFitnessPal is the first step into your weight loss journey. Get an idea of where you're at and what changes you can make. You don't need anybody to do this, and it's free, so that's helpful. There's a free version and a paid version, and the free version is fine for when you're first starting out. So I hope you found that tip helpful. I'm Erin. I am been in the wellness and communications coaching business for 17 years. I work with people to help them breathe well, live well, and speak well. So I am a full service coach, and I work with professionals and I work with people who are looking for transformation in their life in all areas of their well-being. So it's a really cool thing I get to do. If you want to get on a phone call with me, if you want to jump on a free discovery call, sorry about this. Let me take my glasses off. If you want to jump on a free discovery call with me, I give that first session free. It's got a lot of value in it. We talk about your goals. We talk about your challenges, whether it's in communication, weight loss, stress management's a big area that I like to coach in, anxiety. Then we go through that and I help you make a personalized plan for you. It's not all about me and trying to get you to buy my services. Usually I just align with people who really do need that extra help. And if not, then I just make great connections with new friends who are like-minded and trying to grow themselves, trying to improve themselves, trying to become more well in their life. So if that's something you're interested in, and if this weight loss health tip I gave you is helpful, please comment. Go back, go through a week of MyFitnessPal. You can even send it to me. I'll take a look at it for you. I'm certified in nutrition. I'm certified in many different things. I went to school to be an exercise physiologist, so I can definitely help you, and I want to help you. Go ahead and log for a week, maybe 2. Let's get an idea of where you're at, and I promise you're going to start to see little changes you can make. It's going to be a very empowering experience for you, and I think you're going to like it. The food log today, get started, get an idea, and let me know. Connect with me. Have a great day. Breathe well, live well, and speak well.